So say something. This bit of light here. Yo guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to be shooting a video. Look, I'm at my natural habitat here in the street. Woo. Okay, dig on, what was I saying? I am about to shoot a video for you guys using the Canon R10 with the 50mm f1.8. I asked you guys on YouTube and that's the camera that you guys wanted to see. So instead of doing strangers, I'm going to be doing a behind the scenes photo shoot with her friends. Let's get it, let's smash it. Running across the street, we love it. But where's the sun? I asked you guys on IG if you wanted me to use the 35 or the 50 and you guys said the 50, so we're gonna use the 50. Say hey, how are you doing? Good? Yes. Yes. And the sun is out. Okay, now we set so many cameras. So many cameras on. It's all good. Let's do some more just here by the pole now that we're rolling. Standing here. Yeah. And can you stand like on the back where you were before? And can you stand maybe like with the coat further down? See, like this. Yes, perfect. Yeah, it's just there, nice. Yeah, so let's do some with this hand like this, kind of. Aha, perfect. Yes, and we'll do some here in the street too.
Oh, excellent. They have finished. Time out, people. They're posting a final score.
Time out, peeps. We're posting scores. Yeah.
Yeah, it's Windsor.
Okay, let's do this one. Come here just in the light. Okay, perfect. Yep, nice. Yeah, stay there. Oh, that looks so nice. So as you guys can see, the tracking is so fast.
There is
Always getting beeped at. I'm like, that's my specialty, getting beeped at. These look, I've mastered it. Yes, look at these. These are so cool already.
Seriously?
Super nice, no?
Seriously?
Yes.
Wow.
Love that.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe. Wow.
Boom. I'm so, yeah, these are gonna be so nice. I love these.
Wow. Oh
These,
my
no? Oh wait, there's Alex for my backstage. Wait. Did you see me? You're walking like a Balenciaga model. Okay, back here in the middle. Nice, just there. Yes, perfect. Awesome, yes, love it. Stay there.
It's red.
Oh, but that looks super cool, look.
Oh my. I really didn't expect them to be that nice. Wow.
Seriously, they're gonna be so nice. Something for us, yeah.
No.
Perfect. Yes, there's perfect. Stay there. Yes, nice. Awesome. Stay there. Okay, awesome. And let's get some, we'll go in this part here, like where the light is on the street. Awesome, just here? Yes, just here on the lights. Yeah, let's do this one again. Like this and like kind of looking down a bit. Yeah, more this way. Perfect. Mm-hmm.
Time to go.
We are. And maybe we can try some too, like sitting here and then leaning in. Well, we'll just wait for the cab. Sit.
First taxi is like. Pass, pass.
Let us pass. Yes, awesome. Stay there. Perfect. Yes, like that. Love that. Stay there. Yes, one like, yeah, like that. And looking down again, like how you did before. Awesome. And one like looking into the light. Perfect. When it goes red now, we'll like get in between the traffic and then we can do some too with the sunnies and like give it a mix. Let's do some kind of like dramatic style. You can put your hands up like this and just get it crazy. Yes, I need some, give me drama, give me drama. Yeah. Nice, and give me something like this. Yes, like that. Perfect, stay there. We are. Oh, these sitting down are super cool, look.
Wow.
So nice, no?
Yeah.
Okay, just in here. And now this one, yes, let's do one like this, even in hand on your hip. Yeah. Let's do sunnies too. Yeah. Now that the sun's gone. Yes, awesome. And let's do one like this again. Yes, perfect. Yes, love that, love that. Say that. Nice, stay there. Okay, now like walking across here to leave, yeah. Boom. And next I'll just get some shots of you like just walking straight across here. And these are gonna be cool. Oh, even this one. Like these.
Oh, this one, wow. Oh, love it.
And
wow.
this, no?
This one is amazing.
Clothes don't die. Backstage is gonna die. Yes, look at this.
Those movement ones are awesome.
I know, so basically like this camera is made for sports too. So look how like fast the tracking, if you,
For real, it's like following you.
the blue will like follow like a bird and so we can do something like that. You can like run and stuff and they're gonna be super cool. And yes, run through like with the sleeves like a bit down and stuff and see like this, it looks cool. Perfect, and now like running towards me even. Oh yes, it's like Baywatch style. Let's go back and do that again. Okay, boom. Yep. Okay, nice. And now like going in here and I'll like follow you through the traffic. Awesome, turning around and looking at me. Yes, I'm walking backwards. Okay, now we are, oh sorry, put it on. It's a dangerous. Oh yes, that looks cool.
Nice.
And now we can try some. So if you swing the bag. Okay. Yeah. So like this one walking across. Oh, boom the sound. Okay, nice. Yeah. And just walking like straight across here. Here. Yeah. Sit. perfect. Oh yes, now it looks super cool. Yes, just there. Do that again with your hair. What did you think of the shoot? How was it?
Even while looking at the camera, it was stunning. So I can't wait even to see the results on the laptop.
The results are gonna be somewhere. So guys, thanks for watching guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Adios.